Hey fam, it's Uncle Doug. Today we're going to be doing something different than dropping finance knowledge. If anyone knows me, they know I'm into the 4 F's. I'm into finance. I'm into fitness. My wife and I own a fitness company. I'm into food. I'm a foodie. And I'm into fishing. What did you think I was going to say? Jeez. Today, I wanted to make this recipe because the company was putting out a jar cucumber salad recipe. And I actually experimented with this recipe yesterday. It is amazing. My wife and I already killed one of these full jars. So this is the second run at this video. And at another run at eating some wonderful jar cucumber salad. Rather than making you guys watch me cut vegetables, we already cut up the cucumber, the onion. These are the other ingredients. Since I, up until last year, had 2 adult sons in the house, I tend to make double the recipe, so this is actually double the recipe. But really, really simple. Sesame oil, this is rice vinegar, some soy sauce, black pepper, salt, sesame seeds, furikake, which is a rice seasoning. You'll find it in Japanese restaurants sometimes. It's in the Asian food aisle. It's sesame seeds and salt, sugar, and some seaweed. I use it in poke. I'm a tuna fisherman. I make a lot of poke type foods. Cream cheese. The recipe yesterday we made it with mayo. Today we used low-fat yogurt to add more protein and less fats. And then we're going to top all of this off once we shake it up with some hot sauce. And this is an amazingly easy and delicious recipe. Yesterday we had a major blowout. We were missing the gasket for this lid, and the video caught me running around the house cursing like a maniac looking for it. So I'll spare you guys my foul mouth, and I'll just tell you, this is amazing. So basically, we just top it with some hot sauce and put it in the fridge, let it sit for 4 or 5 hours, and bam, it is great. Uncle Doug here, drop the knowledge. Be the change you want to see in the world. Be a good human. Have a great day.